Hi folks, Jay the RV Coach here on the lot at Leisure Time Sales and Quick Spacious, taking a look today at a 2026, our very first 2026 Puma 31Rlqs, classic couples floor plan, really nice setup for a long-term stay in a park. If you're going to tow this one around, certainly with the right truck, you're able to have a home on wheels coming right along with you. On the outside, you've got two waterproof speakers. You've got an electric awning with a full LED strip light underneath it. You've got a power tongue jack to make it nice and easy to get it on and off. Comes with onboard 30-pound tanks too, which means you'll have to head to the Costco refill station a little less often as you're out camping. Step above steps make it nice and easy for you to get inside, and of course this one's got nice mag wheels on it as well, so if you are traveling, you're going to look nice and fancy. Mention that this is a couples camper. You can see with the opposing slide the beautiful layout here and all of the floor space that you're going to get. You've got an island kitchen. We'll start there. You've got the storage on this side. You've got the high-rise faucet. You've got the wood grain cutting board insert here, stainless steel sink. Really nice and well thought out. In the kitchen area, you've got all kinds of storage here below and next to the oven and the 3-burner cooktop, gray stone microwave, and a nice storage spot right above for your spices. Got a 12-volt fridge that's going to open from both sides. Kind of a cool feature. I'll show you that one. So you can open it from this side. If you want to grab a beer from the other side, or you need something from the kitchen, you can certainly open it up from both sides, and you've got the pull-out drawer freezer as well. Good sized pantry space here. Get yourself loaded up for long stays with all kinds of groceries. Electric fireplace underneath the TV, Bluetooth stereo plumbed in as well. That's all on the slide. Here at the back, you do have wraparound windows on either side and behind the couch. That is a pull-out couch, a full trifold too. It's going to give you a little bit of extra sleeping space when you need it, as well as some storage on either side. As you can see, you've also got plugs on either side to keep your devices charged. Here on the other side of the slide, you get two Thomas Bain recliners. It's going to give you a nice comfortable viewpoint for your TV. Storage above, and a freestanding dinette, which is nice for just it makes it easier to get in and out of there if you don't need the extra sleeping that you get with a dinette. The freestanding chairs and table are certainly a nice comfortable option to have. And again, stepping back to look at it with the opposing slides, all that floor space that you get, all kinds of room. Nice LED accent lighting here underneath the island kitchen as well. As we head to the front of the coach, take a look here at the washroom. You've got the sit-down double-sided shower with the skylight, so you've got a little extra height, so you can sit down and stand up. Ceramic foot flush toilet. Little storage here underneath. Linen storage to the right, and a medicine cabinet built into the corner as well. One of my favorite features with these is the little motion sensor light, so if you come in here in the middle of the night, you don't have to flip on all the lights. That motion sensor is going to come on so you can guide your way and check your aim. This is my favorite part of one of my favorite trailers, is the bedroom slide. So I had a customer my first year tell me that you had to rock back on the bed to put their pants on, and I didn't really understand what they meant until I saw it. They had a north-south facing bed. The only way to get their pants on in the bedroom was to rock back on the bed, pull them up, and hop back up. So it required a little bit of gymnastics. In this case, you've got all kinds of floor space here. You're able to get yourself in, move around a little bit, and your bedroom actually feels like a room and not just a place to lay down. You get storage over top, full linen closet here, all kinds of room to keep your wardrobe, that is. You've also got plumbed in, if you would like to add a washer dryer. We've already got the plumbing lined up. You just have to make the investment in the washer and dryer yourself, and you've got all kinds of space here if you decide not to use that. Rounding out the storage, you've also got a spot here to keep a few things, and you can mount a TV right here as well if you'd like to have a TV across from your bedroom. Folks, this has been the first 2026 trailer here on the lot at Leisure Time Sales and Quick Spacious. A Puma 31Rlqs. Again, a classic couples floor plan, great for setup on a long-term seasonal lot. One of my favorite, most comfortable trailers. This has been Jay the RV Coach coming to you with a fresh new look at this trailer, reminding you that from the showroom to the campground, I've got you covered.